Implied volatility. This is a matrix which is used in options trading to estimate the expected future price movement. So this is very important. If you are doing option trading, this is very important. So let's see how we can find this implied volatility. So there are different ways to check the implied volatility using Thinkorswim. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to check the IV value. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, in the Thinkorswim, we have to click chart, and then we have to click this charts, this one, and here we just need to type VIX, and then we have to hit enter or return key, and here we'll see the VIX chart will be loaded. So this is one of the IV. So you can zoom the graph like this way, you can select like this way. So this is on year graph, basically on year, on day. You can choose some other thing like on minute, on day. You can also check like this way, or like for enter on year, you can also check like this way, on year, on day. This is one of the approach you can measure the IV. There is second approach. For each stock you can also check the IV value. So let's see, we can randomly choose on a stock like Google ZWG. This is Google stock. To check the IV for this particular stock, which is Google, at first we need to click the studies, and then it will bring this menu. From here we have to choose this option, add study, and again it will be expanded. From here we have to choose all studies, and then it will group all the studies. We are going to add the IV, so it is located inside this block, and if we move our cursor over there, it will be expanded from here, and then we will see the IMP volatility is there. So we just need to click here, and at the bottom of this window, Thinkorswim, we'll see this is the graph for IV. So right now it is showing the entire year IV based on this stock. If we want to check on this graph, we can switch from day to this option, on day, on minute. So it is showing each minute the IV value. So if you want to zoom, we can select the area and we can check the value of the IV over there, and we can decide whether this is a good option to do option trading or not. So this is the second approach. Let's see the third approach to check the IV value. For that, we just need to click trade, and then there is couple of options are there. From here we have to choose all products, and here we'll see these are all the options. So at first we can we can group like this way, and here we are seeing each of them are the stock, and right side we'll see the IV value like 42.20%, and some of them are like 35. So some is low, some is high. So for Google, this is the implied IV value, basically like it's like 30% to 40% in between like this. For other stock like Tesla, the IV value is very high. If we want to check Tesla, we'll see the IV value is very high. So I'm going to type TSL, which is the ticker for Tesla. Here we are seeing the IV value is very high, 140%, like 112%, like this way. So based on this IV value, you can decide whether this is a good time to do option trading or not. And that's it, guys. In this way we can easily check the IV value using Thinkorswim. I just showed you 3 different approaches, but there are other approaches also you can check the IV value, but mostly I use these 3 technique or 3 ways to check the IV value.